Hello, welcome to today's math class. Today we have this question before us here. The question is m raised to the power of m equal to 2 raised to the power of 200 raised to 1 all over 2. So what is the value of m that will satisfy this equation? So let's go into today's challenge without waste of time. So take our solution. All right. Now, if you check this, this is square root. So we can rewrite the expression on the left-hand side. So this will give us here, the right-hand side rather. So we have here m to the power of m is equals to 2 to the power of 200, right? Good. Now, from this, what we need to do here now is because we are having m raised to its own self, then we think of working on this side of the equation to get a number or an expression that will be raised to itself. Okay, so let's simplify 200. We can rewrite 200 as 25, which is a perfect square because this is a square root sign, times 4 times 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite this. This will give us 2 to the power of our 25 times 4 times 2. Because we know that 25 times 4 will give us 100. 100 times 2 will give us 200. Now, we can separate this expression we have in here now. So this will now give us 2 to the power of our 25 separately times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Easy, right? Good. Now we know 25 is a perfect square and 4 is a perfect square. So the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 4 is 2. And so we're going to have this to be our 2 to the power of 5 times 2 times square root of 2. Okay. Now we want to rewrite this expression we have in here now. How? According to the law, it says that if you have your m to the power of a, b, this is same thing as your m to the power of a into our b, which is equals to our m to the power of b, bracket, bracket, our a. So if we look at this rule, then we can rewrite this expression we have here. So rewriting this expression, this now implies that our m to the power of m, this is equal to our 2 to the power of 5, or in bracket, or raised to 2 root our 2. Okay, let's keep this one here, 2. All right, so let's continue on this side and see what this gives us in turn. Okay, so what is 2 to the power of 5? That is 32. So we're going to have here to be our m to the power of m is equals to 32, all raised to what? Our 2 root 2. Easy. All right. Now, what if we want to introduce square roots to this 32? How do we write this? So we can now rewrite this as our square root of 32 all raised to the power of 2. Okay, there, all raised to, in the square bracket, our 2 root 2. If we use this power, which is this 2, to cancel this radical, it will give us 32 back. And our power here, which is the exponent we have here, same thing we still have here. So that exponent has not changed. We only introduce square root to this and a number and the power that will cancel it to give us this back. Right? Good. Now, according to this law again, look at this law. According to this law, which we just outline here, then we can use this to multiply this. And so this will give us here the square root of 32 all raised to 2 times 2 root 2. Easy, right? Good. So we can use this to multiply this, and this time this will give us our 4. So we have this to be our square root of our 32 bracket all raised to 4 root 2. Then from here, we are having 4 root 2 at the exponent. Look at what we have at the base here, root 32. So we can split 32 into 16 times 2. So this will now give us here, bracket, the square root of 16 times 2, close bracket, all raised to 4 root 2. 16 is a perfect square, right? So what is the square root of 16? That is 4. So we can rewrite this as our 4. Let's put this in bracket into root 2. Then all raised to 4 root 2. We've achieved what we want to achieve now. So what does that imply? So here we now have our m to the power of m is equal to our 4, then root 2, all raised to 4 root 2. So it does mean that by comparison, then it means that our m is equal to 4 root 2. Okay, so this is the value of m that satisfies this original equation. All right, so this brings us to the end of this math class. If you learned something from this video, do not forget or do not hesitate to drop a like in the comment section. Okay, give the video a like and at the same time tell Online Math TV that you love her. Thank you for being there. Thank you for watching our content. See you in our next video. But till then, keep winning. Bye for now.